Hey, so I'm gonna just try to knock out a few videos because I know I've missed some days and I know I'm like so close. I'm so close to catching up. And I've recorded, it's so funny. I've like recorded all these videos and I'm just gonna be like posting like five in one day because I've been recording my videos like every other day. I'm kind of doing the opposite of guess what Unisonis did. Posting their videos every day was so good. And here I am like recording two every other day and still catching up and stuff. But I feel like I'm on the cusp, I'm right there. So I want to talk about this Unisana's video, The Ultimate Trolley Problem. This was such an excellent video. Y'all, like I wish I could have saved it. It was like just so excellent because they talk about the traditional trolley problem of like, okay, so there's a train and it's gonna run like five people over, but you're at the lever and you can swap that lever and it's only gonna run like two people over. What do you do? That sort of idea. And it's like, like, is it considered murder if you change the natural cause of events? Like, what are the people on the tracks like? Is it even ethical to consider the number of human lives over the just fact of human life being lost in the first place? And I think that's like, yeah, it's a tricky thing because like, to actually be like actively involved in that in like some capacity. But I like this video a lot too, because then they looked at like a lot of goofy ones that like kind of were almost like just nonsensical and non sequiturs and like things that just like if there's a person about to run over a trolley, like I don't know, just like weird stuff, like just such strange stuff. And this is definitely one I would love to revisit, find an archived video of it, or like because it was so there was so much going on and it made me bust out laughing like just completely. And it was just it was so good. And it was just like the energy of like Mark and Ethan reading out these problems and laughing and debating, what would they do, and um or like just like all kinds of just goofy stuff, like wonderful little memesters. I realized that this is my 100th video of this project, and wow, for one, what a 100th video for Honest Honest to have. Like that, this is an excellent 100th video. For me, for this, like, what do you call it? This, what's the word I'm looking for? The milestone? Yeah, the milestone. The milestone of 100 videos doesn't feel very momentous to me because I feel like, for one, I mean, of course, I'm dealing with the constant struggle of not being satisfied with my work and wanting to be making something else, some other kind of video, trying to figure out what the hell I'm supposed to be doing. And like, I don't know, like these videos have taken so little effort. Like, I feel like if I hit my 100th video on like fully scripted, edited, etc. videos, that would feel like a more momentous thing. This has been like kind of a daily habit. You don't celebrate the 100th time you brushed your teeth in a year or something. You know what I mean? Like it's almost like it's a daily habit. It's something I'm trying to make into a daily habit, or make into at least a sort of practice and a meditation. And I'm trying to push it to that daily habit so that when I scale it back to like maybe a weekly sort of thing, then hopefully it'll be better quality and be more satisfying. Because I feel like the daily of it has been a little difficult to keep up with my various jobs, and all that stuff. So I don't know. I don't know what else to say about it, really. I mean, I wish I had something more interesting to say, but all I gotta say is this was a really good Unis Honest video, and if you can find it, like, go watch it. It is a good laugh. It is like, they always have this constant sort of recurring phrase, or like almost a catchphrase of the whole thing is like, Unis Honest, every frame a meme, and like that whole video was just like memeing it up. It was great. It was so good for a laugh, and it was also like kind of a like for the more serious ones, a little bit intellectually kind of stimulating, like thinking these conceptual sort of ethical questions. But yeah, I think that's really all I gotta say for this. I'm gonna try to catch up on my videos today. I think that that's gonna be my sort of tribute to Unisonus is to try to catch up on my videos because I feel like I have so much to say about just even the last few days and where I've kind of been. And I had a couple of ideas too, just kind of floating around that I don't know if I can really pair them with any of the following things, but I'm gonna try and I'm gonna post my videos and I'm just really, I don't know, excited that the thing I was thinking about a lot too today is, this is a numbered project and I'm 100 in, which means I'm a little over a quarter of the way there, right? And yeah, I am not sure how to feel about it. I'm kind of at this point where I almost kind of want to be done with this project because I don't feel like I'm really contributing much to like the Unis Honest cult, as it were. And I don't feel like I'm making as good of videos as I want to be making. But at the same time, without these prompts, I don't know that I would be making videos at all right now. I think I don't know if I'd be able to really make much art at all. I have been pretty tired and I have been, this has just been driving me in its own way, which is good. But also I'm kind of like, yeah, I'm in a weird like limbo of like, yeah, what's next? But also, would I be doing anything if I wasn't doing this? So, anyways, that's the ultimate question, the ultimate creativity question of like, would you even do it if there wasn't anything? I think that's a big thing in so many parts of our lives. And like, things like they say like with fitness and exercise, like, hey, something's better than nothing, or, eating, you know, something healthy, if you're having ice cream with fresh blueberries on top, that's better than none at all, and all that sort of idea. Um, or yeah, just something can sometimes can be so much better than nothing. So that's the ultimate creativity problem though I have is if I'm not making work that I'm content with. It's like would I flip the lever to make no work at all, you know? Um and I'm not sure. I'm still thinking about that. So anyways, I'm gonna move on to the next video. We're gonna catch up, man. We're gonna be right back on track and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this for real. Day. It's gonna happen. What is wrong with me? Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.